In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resend marketing emails in HubSpot. First, open your web browser and head to your preferred search engine. Type HubSpot and go to the official HubSpot website. Once you're there, sign into your account. Make sure you're using a profile with permission to access marketing email. If you use two-factor authentication, have your device handy so you can log in without delays. After you're in, look to the left sidebar and hover to reveal the main navigation. Find the marketing section. This is where HubSpot groups tools for campaigns, ads, and of course, email. Click Email to open the Email tool. This is your hub for drafting, reviewing, and managing messages. At the top of the Email tool, switch to the Sent tab. This view lists messages that have already gone out, along with their status and performance. Locate the email you want to resend. If you have many emails, use search or sorting to find it faster. Click the email's name to open its details page. Take a quick moment here to confirm it's the exact message you want to send again, especially if you manage similar campaigns. In the Email Details view, look to the top right and click Actions. From the drop-down, choose Send to More. This option is designed for exactly this scenario. Resending an existing marketing email to additional recipients without rebuilding the message from scratch. It preserves the original content and settings while letting you target new contacts. A panel will appear where you can choose recipients. Click the drop-down and select the contact you want to resend this email to. You can search by name or email to be precise. Before you proceed, double-check that the contact has not unsubscribed and is eligible to receive marketing emails, and that you're following your organization's compliance policies. If a contact previously bounced, consider reviewing their status first to avoid deliverability issues. Once you've selected the right contact, click Send. HubSpot will present a confirmation step so you can verify everything one last time. When you're ready, click Send Email Now. The message will be queued and delivered using the same design and content as the original, which helps keep your branding and tracking consistent. That's all there is to it. By using the Sent tab and the Send to More option, you can quickly and safely resend a marketing email to a specific contact without recreating the campaign. Remember to review eligibility and context each time to maintain good deliverability and compliance.